Hello, Kiran. This is
Hi, Jasleen.
unexpected
Long time
meeting.
no see.
Well, we are going to meet each other now because South Asian Literature and Art Festival 2024 is coming up.
Absolutely, absolutely. It is coming up, and then we'll become best friends again for a short while, right?
So, Sala Festival, as most of the audience already knows, a beautiful festival. This time, the message is plurality because in US, this is something we embrace the diversity, the plurality, and still we are one country, the United States of America. So, you being a board member of this wonderful, wonderful nonprofit art forum, SF, what is in plate for the viewers for Sala Festival 2024?
Oh, good question, Jasleen. I don't know if I will play it as if people have never been to Sala before. So I have to say they're in for some excitement. We have some absolutely brilliant speakers in all areas, whether it's arts or it's literature or it's in philosophy or it's in like this young man Deepak Ramola is going to be talking about how to become rich without money. And this time have a varied of plurality, as you're saying. And so we have Shashi Tharoor coming in from India with his political views and his authorship. We have, I already mentioned Deepak Ramola and his trying to make us rich without money. And that's going to be interesting. We have a very interesting woman. She's an activist. She's an artist. She's a curator. And if there is one person who knows about Pakistani art, and that's Salima Hashmi. And I have never met her. I've only spoken to her. But anything you touch or read about her, Jasleen, she is an amazing person. And like that, we have many interesting, variables and sections in Sala this year. We have an extremely rich Epicurean panel with two Michelin star chefs, our own, very own from the city, Srijit Gopinath. Then we have Suvir Saran. He's coming from India. Then we have a wonderful woman chef, Hina Patel. And very interestingly, we have an American chef who only cooks Indian food. His name is Keith Saracen. I'm so intrigued by this. Yeah, you're going to ask me a question.
Yeah, actually, that American chef who cooks Indian food, like that looks something out of the odd. I mean,
it is out of the ordinary. You're right about that. And then we have this time we are even addressing mental health, because I think we're talking about plurality and mental health. They go in tandem, because all the time when we come to this country, there is a loss of identity and there's a gain of identity. The loss is leaving your home and leaving your culture. And then for our children, then we are trying to establish fitting into the American culture and yet not let going of the Indian culture. And that exactly is what the South Asian Literature and Art Festival is all about, to give voices to young authors, young artists. I mean, we may have very big names coming like Shashi Tharoor and Imtiaz Ali, but if you look at our panels, Jasleen, we have so many young poets, we have so many young authors, we have so many young artists. I don't know if you know this time, we have 14 South Asian Bay Area based artists doing an exhibition. And then I'm really looking forward to that. And also, I would say poets, you know how our poetry is read, and we have an Indian Pulitzer Prize winner, coming to read poetry, have a talk with our very own Chika Malvia. She's also from the Bay Area, a well-known poet. And it's everything just is enhanced by somebody from maybe little outside and somebody from the Bay Area, and yet we are covering the country. Um, yeah, so one of the things we have been trying to do, and this is the first time we have fully succeeded, is to have a whole panel from authors from Sri Lanka. I think that is going to be an outstanding. Last year, one of them was last year's Booker Prize winner too. So we are taking steps in including all the neighboring countries of India, which South Asia is all about.
And that makes it truly international, you know.
Yes.
Presence of Sri Lanka, I think that is very rare. You know, when we talk about South Asia, it's mostly about China and India and such countries. But Sri Lanka being a small country, the focus on Sri Lanka has been very less in the Bay Area. So I think that's a great move, And I know some of the great artists and panelists are from Sri Lanka, right?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, last year we had, I don't know, Jasleen, if you spent a little time in the marketplace and as well as the tea panel, we had our very own Sujani selling. She's from Sri Lanka and she's got Sri Lankan tea available to a lot of people in America. She's even being sold at Whole Foods now. So we try. And also to add on that, we have one artist of Indian origin, but from one of the islands. Her name is Runulka Maharaj. So her great grandparents must have come to the islands, and there she is, a beautiful artist. In fact, when their panel is quite interesting. But definitely, when you come, let's walk down the Artist's Walk this time. I think you will enjoy that.
Yeah, beautiful 2-day festival. I think it starts every day around noon at
That's
12.
correct.
And
We
then
want
based
people to
on
come by 11, Jasleen, though. Yeah, so they start registering, coming. We
and
want to
looking
start.
at the art gallery, enjoying
Yes,
some music, doing some networking,
yes,
some of the good stuff that is available on the
right.
stall, doing some shopping.
Yeah,
It's festival, it's all inclusive. And
very
it
true.
goes on till around 7:30 or 8 in the evening. So,
Yes.
they can, I think they should have their breakfast, lunch, dinner every meet with friends, hang around, listen to some good poetry, meet some great people, some celebrities, listen to those panels, those thought-provoking conversations. I mean, it's literally a 2-day package, I would say.
I think, Jasleen, you are our best media partner because you have started with us in 2019 and now you know everything we do. So I think you should only talk about Sala rather than my talking about Sala.
Exactly, and I would add that it is exotic, it's upscale, it's elegant, and it's graceful. At the same time, it's very different than other events that happen in the Bay Area. It's not a regular National Day, Patriotic Day, or something like that, but it's really a mix of those activities and feelings that will take you to another world. I think this is a passage to another world.
Thank you. Thank you, Jasleen. That's so very kind of you to be, looking after us and standing in our corner. That really, really makes it very happy for us. Yes.
And I'm also excited about the great location this time. The venue is Stanford.
Yes, it is Stanford.
Pretty prestigious, pretty magnificent, huge campus, and many students just love to see that. Even the prospects, our high schoolers who are preparing themselves for the next journey, they should also be coming over and looking at what's the environment in the university, how the campus looks like, and so many other people who really know that this is a coveted location.
It is a very coveted location. Thank you for pointing that out. It has enhanced our identity when such a prestigious university like Stanford has collaborated with us. We really are looking forward further. It's been a seamless journey with them till now, so I'm hoping that the journey continues. Yeah.
Yay! I'm so looking forward to it. And those of you who have never been to Sala, come at least once, try it out in 2024, and I'm sure you will love it. And you can come at any point in time in the day, starting as Kiran mentioned, 11 a.m. through 7 p.m. Anytime you can come, you can be there for as much time as you want. And if you take your kids to the public library and they think that that's a great experience, then you must bring them over here as well, because not just kids but people of all ages will have something for them, and something that they will love to spend time and make great memories out of.
Very true, Jasleen. Well said, bravo. It's really been a nice journey with you. Like I said, from 2019, you and your husband have been supporting us with your media, and we've just enjoyed having you guys. And I do not know how much more you want me to say about the festival, but I wanted to point out, like Jasleen, there are many people who have been our partners in many ways. I am wearing a chunni made by one of the vendors, Pragati, and she has also exhibited her art. She's a great Ramayana storyteller in miniature way, and her paintings are amazing. But this time she wants to sell her scarves, and I'm wearing one of them. So and they really are beautiful stories. Everything is miniaturized, and everything tells a story. And in fact, if you stop by, Jasleen, stop by her stall this time when you come, she will tell you many stories of the Ramayana. So I think
Wow.
it's a beautiful journey with her too. Yeah.
So for the cinema lovers, we have
Oh
Imtiaz
yes,
Ali.
Imtiaz Ali. Yes. How could I
इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ हो रामा ये
forget?
One of the best directors, Jab We Met is a movie which is very, very close to my heart. The way he has depicted the emotions of Kareena Kapoor as an actress with a wonderful storyline, I think that was really, really remarkable. And of course, as you mentioned, the Pulitzer Prize winner and some of the leading celebrities, including celebrities from Sri Lanka, that is something that will make the event really stand out. So
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to enjoying some nice food and learning some good points about how to secure our mental health, how to keep ourselves away from all the things that cause agony, that cause pain, that cause, issues in our lives. Stay away from all the negativity and embrace positivity. And I think that's the message that we are getting out of this festival, as we embrace unity in diversity and we accept plurality as something that will make us feel better and live better.
So
So, looking
yeah,
forward
that's
to
true,
it.
Jasleen. Right. Thank you. You've summed it up very nicely. But
Yep.
I just wanted to add one more point. Who are people who are Mirzapur lovers, we have the director of the third season of Mirzapur this time.
Wow.
And I know it's a very violent show, but that depicts rural India and depicts it very well. If you enjoy that, please come and see that too. And I think that's something and I want you to go back to mental health. Actually, this time,
Mhm.
we have many other panels. I've already mentioned how to become rich without money. The other two panels I want to talk a little bit about. I hope you can include it in the footage. One is about inner and outer journey.
Wow.
How people can just, it's such tumultuous times, such tumultuous times. Everywhere there is violence and everything. But how we can center ourselves, the inner and outer journey,
Mhm.
is really talked about by two very well-known Bay Area people. One is a entrepreneur turned investor, turned into a philosopher, Arjun, and the other one is Jesse Kaur, who's into Sikh religion. But we're not talking about religion here. We are actually going to be talking about how we can center ourselves in this world with violence. And then after that, there are two humans, absolute amazing humans in this world, whom I've gotten to know over the last few years. One is Feroz VR, and the other is Suvir Saran, and both of them are going to be talking about a slice of life.
We are so looking forward to these unique conversations. A lot of people are at different stages of their spiritual journey, and probably they will have some nice takeaway as well. And
Oh yes, I'm hoping.
obviously, we all go through different struggles. The path to success is not very straightforward, it's very curvilinear. Just like we have that, what we call that Teda Road in San Francisco. I'm
Yeah.
just reminded of that winding road, and the journeys in the lives that we go through for all of us are also very winding in nature. So we need some right direction, inspiration, and motivation to keep moving
True.
forward with a positive spirit, and look forward to a beautiful world where we succeed and we help others succeed as well.
Thank you, Jocelyn. Well put. Thank you. I think you should do the philosophy class. I think the panel one of these days.
Well, I want our viewers to join us at Sala Festival 2024. Book your tickets at salafestival.org. It is in this weekend of 28th and 29th of September, next to next weekend. And it is at Stanford University, as we mentioned. So all of you here at the Bay Area, or all those who are even traveling to Bay Area, this is a good time for you to have real fun with so much that the festival will bring in a 2-day period for all of us. So looking forward to seeing you at Sala Festival. Kiran, any closing remarks from your side?
Yeah, well, I'm really hoping, because this is really a labor of love between three friends. We don't have a big office to organize this and all. We work hard at getting this together. We touch on so many different topics and areas, and get so many different people from varied parts of life, from all the literary world, Epicurean world, artistic world, poetry world. I think we are very unique in our intellectual property there. And I hope that everybody, we even bring panels to talk about partition, which seems to be epigenetic in our blood. And so we are really making a very good effort in bringing the stories of partition and migration. So all these things, I hope people come and enjoy that along
Things
with
that
us.
have touched our lives in a big
Yes.
way. We have all been impacted with these social issues and these political melodramas.
This is a poem about Palestine. Don't cry, mother, don't curse the God who made me. I was yours for a few moments, now I rest in eternity. You left to bring me flour, to fill my stomach with more than prayers for bread. I'm sorry, dear mother, for the things I left unsaid. How very much I loved you, how selfless and brave, how caring you were when the world fell apart and the skies were red with flames. Those same flames that took me from you before you returned, those same flames launched carelessly from those who believed we deserved to burn. I'm sorry, dear mother, I wish we had said goodbye. I'm sorry you had to see all your children die.
What to say, but it is what it is. And even right now, there is so much going around in the world. If you really see, there is a Palestine-Israel issue going on one side. Then there is, so much going on between US and Mexico border. So different kinds of issues, diverse
Yes.
problems. The world will have a lot of things going around, but something that has impacted South Asians is really being focused on in South Asian Literature and Art Festival 2024. So looking forward to it, very excited, and I hope that you will feel motivated to come over and have a gala time. So see you at Salafest 2024.
Yes, see you there. Looking forward to having each one of you along with us. Come and walk with us through the journey of plurality in community. And we can show the world how diversity is worked out by including everyone. Inclusion, diversity, community, plurality, all these words are so important in today's talk. So looking forward. Thank you, Jasleen, for giving us this opportunity. Bye bye.
Bye bye.